What's up, YouTube? Smoke alarm person here at Walmart. So first thing you want to do is if you go to get smoke detectors, yeah, forget which aisle it is. I saw him here somewhere, and I forget where the smoke alarms are at. You guys are probably thinking it's a first for smoke alarm person to forget where smoke alarms are at. Oh, here's the smoke alarms. So this is some of the good ones. This one is that one's ionization. These are the ones I'd recommend. They're $14.84, ionization and photoelectric. This is a CO alarm. This is the one the cafeteria has at school. Okay, this is the one I'm gonna get today. So yeah. Oh yeah, guys. This one is $29.99. This is for smoke and CO. It comes with them both. Just so you know. It just mirrors everything impossible with one hand. So yeah. I'm gonna get the escape light first alert. Smoke alarm. Bye.